Morning. It is day 2. How's your sleep, Bobo? First time in the shelter. It's about 8 a.m. now. We better get up and get to work. Just hiking. It is day 2. About 9:45. The climb back to the trail from our shelter was already brutal. I'm going very slow to warm up my legs, so it's already climbing and climbing. Ben and Bo Sheep's already out way ahead of me. How come that dog is never tired? I don't get it. Okay, this is what it looked like. This is in Maryland. Oh, last night my sleeping pad had a slow leak, so every 4 hours I had to reinflate it. And I called REI this morning from the shelter, and then they're sending a replacement to the hotel that we're gonna stay at in 2 days in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. I love REI, they're great. Okay, I have to continue hiking. So Ben said that he wanted to be like The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. So we got this. A lot of rocks. There he is. I'm here. You can go. Good boy. Where's Ben? Bye-bye. This is 12:15 p.m. on day 2, and then we have walked 4.5 miles. Already. This is we are at mile 1041. We started at 1036.5 this morning, and the trail's actually right there. And somebody put a sign here, not the AT. Not that one. But it's that one where the white blaze is. I gotta stop and tip my foot. I have a potential blister coming on. We arrived at this nice new shelter called Rocky Run Shelter, I believe. There's a preview there and a bear box. And then let's go check out this. Bobo, stay here! Let's go check out this new shelter. Sorry if my hands are, the video keeps moving. I'm holding my phone with my hand. Oh, how nice! Look at that! Yay! It's raining right now. It's kind of drizzling. So perfect time to break for lunch before we continue. Wow, look! And of course, we have it to ourselves again. Somebody left a hair clip. I need it. Oh, it's 2-level. Look! Hardwood floor. A lot of place to sleep. Wow!
Luxury resort here.
Luxury resort, yeah, that's it. Battle of South Mountain. And then there's a little trail dedicated for General Garland Trail. Hi, Bobo. So we are very close to a Dull Green Backpackers Campground, and there should be a shower there we can clean up and camp there if you want. If we still have energy, we can keep going to the next shelter. The campground that I was talking about with shower. The shower's closed. We got there too early. They won't open for another 2 weeks. So we're gonna be dirty for one more day or a few more days. I don't know. Okay. It is about 5:15 p.m. day 2, and we have walked about 10 miles. I am so tired and ready to be done today. The next shelter is what we're aiming for, is Pine Knob Shelter, and it's still 2.5 miles away. So, and the terrain is very challenging. Okay, I gotta walk. I'll keep up with Ben. And Bobo's waiting for me. Across the interstate. There's Bobo. Still going strong. That boy is never tired. So after that shelter, we walked about a mile and then saw there's a Civil War site. Ben said that was the spot where the general was killed in battle. Exactly there?
Yeah, it marks the spot.
Let me see. What year? 1862.
That monument marks the spot, it says. Jesse Lee Ranger.
Oh. This monument marks the spot where Major General Jesse Lee, I don't know what that is, commanding 9th Army Corps, U.S. something, was killed in battle. September 14, 1862.